Hey guys, what's up? It's James Fomba. Thank you for watching this video. Today's Sunday. It's April 14th, 2019. It's a brand new pay week with the Power Lead system, and I woke up to $50 in residual income this morning already. So I want to show proof of results as well as give you some powerful tips on things that will help you make your breakthrough when it comes to the mindset that will help you get to the next level. All right. So I hope this video helps. I struggled with these same exact things. So this is not bashing. This is one of the keys that will truly help you take your business and your lifestyle to the next level. And it really comes down to the difference between wanting to look good versus really being good. All right, guys. So with some transparency, let me show proof of results first. Then we're going to get right into this training. And if you want to partner up with me, I have my website link directly below in the description box. So for transparency purposes, let's go here. All right, so guys, you could see it's still super early. It's 8:22 a.m. Sunday, April 14th. I'm going to log into my back office in front of you guys now, all right? All right, so here I am. I'm logged into the back office of this business, and everyone who's a member has access to the same back office. So here you see I can control the automation, your different websites, right? Tips on how to promote your business, your contact manager, your training. And this is powerful. The trainings are powerful. Here, let's go to commissions earned. So you see, guys, when I was sharing how I woke up to $50 in residual income. You could see today is Sunday, April 14th. It's not even 8:30 in the morning yet, guys. So if you want to check out this program, I have my website link directly below. In total commissions since I've gotten started, let's go to commissions paid. All right, so in total commissions since I started, let's pull up a calculator. All right, so 2015, I got started at the end of April. You can see here the 29th, and I was just at the lead lightning and the basic level of the business, but you can see 5,381 plus 9,688 plus 13,279 plus 40,813 plus 4,910 equals. All right, guys, so you could see in total income with this one income stream, I've earned $74,071, right? And with weekly payouts, I already know my paycheck next week is going to be $500 plus. And I know the following week is $500 plus already. So this one income stream, the Power Lead system, all right, you guys can see that I've earned a total of $74,071 since I gotten started. All right. Here you could see I went all in in my business. All right. I want to ask you guys a question, because now we're going to get into that mindset change. Going all in this business that made me over $70,000. I have a pair of Nike sneakers here in this picture. These are called off-whites. I want someone to try to guess how much these sneakers cost, right? Don't worry, I won't hold you too long. These sneakers, look at that. These Nike sneakers, these off-whites cost $3,595 for a pair of sneakers. Now, what happens when people are wanting to change their life around? And not everyone goes out there and buys a pair of $3,000 sneakers. But let's get into this. These sneakers cost more than me going all in my business, right? Now, the problem with mindset is there's many people out there who would rather dress the part. My wife showed me somebody on Instagram. They were so happy that they bought their first pair of like sneakers that were like Giuseppe Natti's, right? That were like 1,600. The person was so happy, like, yo, I just got my first pair of Giuseppe sneakers. 1,600. Now, it's not about bashing that person. If they have the income to do it comfortably, that's fine. But now with mindset, now let's put mindset next to this. So broke mindset versus rich mindset, right? Broke mindset, party all weekend. Rich mindset, learn high income skills. Broke mindset, dresses like they're rich. Rich mindset, clothes aren't important. Broke mindset, jump on all trends. Rich mindset, invest into trends. Broke mindset, live for others. Rich mindset, lives for him or herself. Now, guys, there's different levels of this, right? So right now, if you have $0 in your pocket, you are not broke. It's when your mindset will stop you from doing anything to change that situation, where your own mindset tells you, no, don't do that because such and such and such. No, don't do that. And you start making excuses to stay in a position where it's always like this. That's when it becomes a broken mindset, right? So one of the keys to help you take your business to the next level, it's true. You have to, one, you can't care about what other people think about what you're doing, especially if they didn't go for their own goals. Because if someone quit on their own goals, on their own dreams, and now they're just living a regular, mundane, like computerized, boring type of lifestyle, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if someone's doing that, if you listen to them for advice on how you can live the amazing life that you want, that's already a disconnect. This is why it's important to team up with like-minded individuals. Now, you see, learn high income skills. Master Traffic Institute. This is a training where you're learning high income skills, right? This training cost, let's go to these sneakers. Master Traffic Institute costs $2,000 less than these sneakers, right? You've seen that this program, I've earned over $70,000. There's someone out there who would rather have these sneakers to look good so that everyone can go, oh my gosh, that person has off-whites, then invest in a business that can bring them, that can get them to the point where they could have bought these sneakers tons of times. It happens all the time. You guys have seen the pictures. Well, many people have seen the picture. Let me see if I can find it. This one. Right? Where they have the Bill Gates picture and they have him next to a guy. And you could see here just the difference where, like, you'll see Bill Gates and Warren Buffett and all those rich people. Their clothes are pretty plain, right? Just because they don't need to show off for other people. Because on the flip side, what they don't show here is they probably invest tons of money into their business. Whereas this mindset will spend all their money on clothes and have no money in their pocket. Or if they have a business, they don't want to pay for traffic. They're looking for the free methods. They're trying to look the part instead of be the part. So the key thing, once again, guys, is go hard, and you want to focus on putting yourself in a position to where you'll be good instead of just looking good. That's what really helped me take my business to the next level. All right, so here I am inside of Master Traffic Institute. So it's like a decision. Would I want some nice Nike sneakers or information that will take me to the next level? Would I want to look good just for a couple of days or be good for life, right? That's the main difference. Inside Master Traffic Institute, you have all of these training courses from people who are getting results in their business, taking action, right? Or you could just show off and walk around and look fly, and then later on struggle and complain about money and blame all types of things. So it really comes down to the mindset. All right, guys. So I hope that training helped. Some major keys is have a strong reason why you want to be successful, not to show off for other people or to stunt on other people, or else you're not doing it for yourself. And most people won't care. They won't be impressed, right? The other day I was walking to the like supermarket for my wife and daughter, and I seen somebody with a Ferrari parked in front of in front of a bank. And I was just like, cool, that's a nice Ferrari, right? And I kept on walking. If that person's intentions of having a Ferrari was to have people on the block go, wow, they'd be out of $200,000, $300,000. You know what I'm saying? Now, if their purpose for having the Ferrari was because they really wanted it with all their heart, that's something they wanted, then they're living the best life, because it doesn't matter if people walk by and go, who cares, right? Because they care. So guys, it's just that's the tip. You know, I know this video went everywhere, but you see the kind of results I'm having in my business. And the key thing is take action. And just like these images you've seen here, there's a difference between being good and looking good. All right. So do what you have to do in your business so that you can be good instead of just trying to look good. All right. And that's really the key. So I'll catch you in the next video, guys. And I have my links below. Peace.